got a slime kit. I'm so excited. Let's see what slimes are in there. There's a turquoise, yellow, brown, blue, and pink. Let's check out the green one first. Ooh, it's tight to open. Whoa! It looks so cool. Whoa, let's play with it. It's so stretchy. I love this one. Okay, let's get to my next one. It's hard to close. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Next, let's check out my pink one. Whoa, it's so cool. The back looks so soft. It is. Let's do some stretching. Ew. One of my face near my mouth. Okay, whatever. It's so cool though. It's so stretchy. It's really, really amazing. Okay, let's get to my next slime again though. Next, let's check out my yellow slime. Whoa! I love just putting my fingers through it for the first thing I like to do. Whoa, it's so cool. It reminds me of lemonade. This is my softest slime so far. I need to admit. Next, let's do my blue slime. Whoa, it's so cool. This is definitely my second softest so far. Okay, let's get to my next slime. We can't be playing with the blue forever now, can we? That was such a weird noise that the blue slime made. Sounded like a fart. Next, let's check out my last slime. It's brown. I love it. This is so cool. The back too. Whoa. We can't play with this one forever either, though. So we should start putting some decorations on them. First, let's do the blue. I feel like the blue should be the Oreo one. Stick it there. Look at it. It looks so cool. Okay. The brown, I kind of want to put the brown Oreo, but yeah, it's too late now. The second good for the brown is the fries. Let's put it on. Stick it there. Look, it looks cool too. Let's check out my pink one. I like pink when pink together, but there's nothing else that's really pink. Unless we do the lollipop multiple color one. No, I'm just gonna do the strawberry. It's the closest to pink. Look how cute it is. Next, let's check out my green. My turquoise. Whatever you call it. Okay, let's put on, Well, obviously I'm gonna put on the lollipop because The last one left is orange. It looks cute. And that orange will obviously go with yellow. Let's put it on. It's hard to get on. Okay, there we go. It's cute too. It's hard to close. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching me unbox my slimes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and punch that bell button. Boom. Bye.